Hey everybody, this is a flip through of my Neutral Nature journal. It's one signature fabric with a little lace on the spine and this little removable tie thing. I'm going to give credit down below to the 3 people that inspired me on this, and I love it so hard. I'm going to be making that a lot. This is the fabric and the paper that matches the fabric. I was so shocked when I found fabric and paper that matched. I guess that's a thing. There's just one of these first day of issue envelopes in the front. And a little page from a flower book. You could cut the flowers out or whatever you want. A little coffee dyed glassine bag with a journal card there and a journal card here inside. This is napkin collage. Down below, I will list all the digitals, where I got them on their Etsy shops. This is a little flip out. You can write on the back of the check, and it flips back in here. There's also writing paper there and there. Little pocket with a small journal card. This is a Farmer's Almanac page. I picked August because this is August. It's also my birthday month. What does it say? Cooler on my birthday. Oh, that's a lie. A little cluster, little digitals. A little side tuck with a journal card. This is a little sticker on there. That was hard to glue. Pretty basic. There's the middle. Look at that. It's the same. I don't know why that fascinates me so much. I guess because I've never seen it before. Now this flips up. Let me see if I can get it all in. There's the tag tucked under here, a pocket here, and that flips down. Another little side tuck with a journal card, pocket, a little postcard. If you can hear that noise in the background, I hope not. Little cluster. I'm having a stump ground. Fabric flip. Oh, and it just got dark. A cloud. This is a check. This has a journal card under here as a belly band. Then this opens up and this flips down for journaling space. Thank you, Carol Laws. Journal card under a belly band. Another one of those little half of a window from a window envelope that I made into a little vase. And the back pocket with a tag and another one of those botanical book pages. And the back. I don't know offhand how many pages, but it will be down in the description box below. And isn't this cute? Thank you for watching.